In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best personal blenders. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best personal blenders. Number 5, Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender has earned its reputation as a kitchen multitasker. With a 250-watt high-torque power base, it chops, mixes, blends, whips, and grinds, making it a versatile tool for creating everything from smoothies to omelets and dips. The 11-piece set includes a tall cup, short cup, party mug, and various lids, giving you everything you need to prepare and enjoy your culinary creations. Its compact size is perfect for small kitchens or anyone seeking a simple, effective blender. What sets the Magic Bullet apart is its ease of use. With a quick 10-second recipe guide included, you can start creating delicious dishes right away. Its high-impact plastic cups are durable and easy to clean, while the compact motor base ensures it doesn't take up much space. The Magic Bullet is an excellent choice for those who want an affordable, no-fuss blender that gets the job done. Number 4. Ninja BN301 NutriBullet Plus. The Ninja BN301 NutriBullet Plus is a compact powerhouse with a 900 peak watt motor that effortlessly tackles everything from frozen drinks to sauces. Its Pro Extractor blades crush ice and break down whole fruits and veggies for nutrient-packed blends. The set includes 3 20-ounce to-go cups, each with a spout lid for easy drinking or a storage lid for leftovers, making it ideal for busy individuals who need healthy options on the move. With dishwasher-safe parts and an included recipe guide, the Ninja BN301 makes blending and cleanup effortless. Whether blending your favorite smoothie or experimenting with recipes, this blender ensures quick, consistent results. Its compact design fits neatly on any countertop, proving that big performance can come in small packages. The Ninja BN301 is a top contender for anyone seeking versatility and convenience. Number 3, Smeg 50's Retro Style. The Smeg 50's Retro Style Personal Blender combines elegance and functionality with its iconic design and powerful performance. Equipped with a backlit knob and 2-speed settings, this blender allows for effortless blending of smoothies, shakes, and more. It includes 2 600-milliliter BPA-free bottles, making it perfect for preparing and enjoying drinks on the go. Its timeless retro aesthetic adds a charming touch to your countertop while offering modern convenience. Beyond its stylish exterior, the Smeg blender is designed for everyday use and focused on safety and durability. The BPA-free bottles ensure a health-conscious blending experience, while its user-friendly controls make it easy to use for anyone. Whether you're whipping up a post-gym smoothie or a quick breakfast shake, this blender offers flair and functionality, making it a standout choice for blending enthusiasts. Number 2, the Beast Mini Blender Plus. The Beast Mini Blender Plus stands out as a powerhouse in a compact package. Its 600-watt motor provides best-in-class blending performance, making it capable of tackling smoothies, sauces, dressings, and even crushing ice or grinding coffee. Ideal for small spaces like apartments and dorms, its sleek design fits neatly on your countertop while offering the functionality of a much larger blender. With extra vessels, a straw cap, and a carry cap, this blender makes blending, sipping, and carrying your creations effortless. The Beast Mini ensures you can turn whole foods into nutritious snacks with minimal prep or cleanup. Its innovative design allows you to enjoy blending every day, transforming your kitchen experience. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or a quick salad dressing, this mini blender packs a punch in both performance and style, proving great things do come in small packages. Number 1, NutriBullet Pro Plus. The NutriBullet Pro Plus takes personal blending to a new level with its impressive 1200-watt motor. Doubling the power of the original NutriBullet, this blender ensures better nutrient extraction, helping you maximize the health benefits of your favorite ingredients. With the pulse function, you can achieve perfect chunky textures for salsas, or enjoy hands-free blending for up to 60 seconds. This blender is not just powerful, but also convenient, featuring a mess-free, resealable to-go lid for blending on busy mornings or after workouts. It's a perfect match for anyone seeking a healthy lifestyle on the go. The removable blades and dishwasher-safe cups make post-blend cleanup hassle-free. The package includes a powerful motor base, extractor blade, multiple cups, to-go lids, and even a recipe book to inspire your culinary creations. From smoothies to sauces, this compact and stylish blender earns its spot on your kitchen counter, proving that health and convenience can go hand in hand. And there you have it, the top 5 personal blenders designed to fit your busy lifestyle and elevate your healthy habits. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.